So basically, if you want to know who to blame for this, blame Alain Grignon. He's a Canadian friend of mine and he had this idea and I thought it was absolutely awesome, so we're going to go with it. Now we have done this before where we've done sort of giveaways where we've done a free prize draw. But Alain said to me, Rob, why don't you have a look at a bit more participation and make it a competition? And I thought, what a really clever idea, what great thinking, because of course the channel's all about taking part. Anyway, the prize is this thing. It's a Printerbot 3D printer, about $600 or so. We're going to give that away and a spool of ABS printing material. So that's the prize. Now, what you have to do with it is come up with something that will generate sufficient electricity to light a single LED. So, not horrendously challenging. Now, if you haven't done this before and you have a look at the Motors and Generators playlist or the Wind Turbines playlist, there's a whole load of ideas there for you to be able to work with. But it can't be a drawing. It can't be a concept. It must be a working model that will genuinely light at least one LED. Because if you want to light up your entire street, fantastic! I'd love to see you do that as well. It can't be something that's already in existence, you have to make it for the competition. But it can be anything from model through to a fully working device, and it can be made out of paper, wood, plastic, metal, whatever you want to make it from. It can be a wind turbine, it can be pedal powered, it can be hand generated, it can be water powered, wave powered, and you can even do it just by walking. Whatever you want to do to power the device that you come up with. Now, you're going to have to submit the device as a video, and obviously the video needs to show the device working genuinely. No hidden batteries or wires, genuinely working. You don't have to appear on the video. The video can be any format you like, so you can appear on it if you want, you can demonstrate if you want, or you can just show the video if you want, you can show the how-to if you want, whatever it is you want to show on that video, but the centre of the video has to be about the device that you've created. Now, we will look at those videos, and the top videos are going to be the shortlist people. Those shortlist people will have their video on my channel under the competition playlist. So the playlist will appear, there'll be the videos there, and the way we're going to decide the winner is the one that has the highest number of likes and the least number of dislikes. So anything will do as long as it fits in with that remit. This is the prize, which I think is a pretty awesome prize, to be honest, for anybody who wants to get into a little bit of 3D printing. I should also mention, which I mildly forgot to, competition entries are to robert@fwgltd.co.uk or luke@fwgltd.co.uk. If you send us an email with your video file either attached if you can or as a drive link that we can go to, then we'll download that file and have a look at it. Anybody can enter. It really doesn't matter where in the world you are, you can enter. You don't have to be in England, you can be in Canada, America, Australia, Peru, Ecuador, South Africa, wherever you happen to be, you're quite welcome to enter. Okay, so today is the 15th of September. We're going to run it for roughly 6 weeks, so the competition will close on the 31st of October. You've plenty of time to be able to do stuff. Like I say, it really doesn't matter what this thing is made of, because the judgment will not be based on the amount of energy that the machine can produce. The judgment is going to be based on lots of things. So whether it's if it's your first time and you've done a good job, if it's just plain entertaining, if it's an awesome idea, if it's just a fun idea, if it's a really practical idea, there's lots of ways to judge it, and we will be judging it on that for the runners-up. Of course, the public are going to judge it on what the public judge things on. So, plenty of time in 6 weeks to create something, and we're going to close this on the 31st of October. So the audio and video quality don't really matter to the competition. Well, not to me anyway. So you can shoot it on your phone, you can shoot it on your camera if you've got cameras, you can shoot it on the camera on your laptop or your PC, you can take still shots and string those shots together, you can do a voiceover, you can do text explaining what's going on. It doesn't matter what format it is or what quality the audio or the video is. If you've got something to get that on the video, get it onto video. I hope you do take part, and I hope to see what it is that you come up with, because I'm absolutely fascinated to see what people are going to come up with. And I hope you like the idea. Anyway, Please do take part. Thank you very much for watching, and remember to like and subscribe.